During the month of March, we have been working on self-management and trustworthy behavior. On our bulletin board, we have a traffic light, and it kind of helps you remember to use these kinds of skills when you have to manage your behavior. First, you might want to stop, take a pause, avoid acting on impulse, freeze, take a deep breath, or count to 3 and allow your brain to process the information. After that happens, you will move to the yellow zone, which is think. You might want to think about what emotions you're feeling and what the problem is. What are the options that you have? What is the best path forward? Consider the consequences, both positive and negative, of your potential decisions. Finally, we move on to the green zone. And with that green zone, it is the action phase. During this, proceed with the best option. Act carefully, and if you notice the decision you might have made was not the best, you might need to revise the plan you chose and learn from it.
Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Nguyen, and this month, for the month of April, we're going to talk about relationship skills. We want to make sure that you focus on being caring. Are you a loyal friend? Is your friend able to trust you? Can you have open communication with your friends and others? How do you support each other? Is there empathy and kindness? And then, what shared experiences do you have? Remember, it is always nice to be caring.
Hey friends, I just wanted to say that we need to be more vigilant about our language in the cafeteria. If you don't know the definition of a word, you probably shouldn't say it. And you shouldn't make others say it either. It makes people uncomfortable. Also, we need to work on our value. We'd love to have a great lunch and hang out with our friends, do fun stuff, but we got to keep the volume down a little bit and have a little bit more respect for the people that are taking music lessons and trying to pay attention to other things going on around us. Thanks, guys.